All right, good morning everybody. This is Bill with Bill and Carol's Travel Project. All right, I got something we want to show you. We've been here before, but we're going to show it to you again. I'll tell you who's never seen it before. She's never been here before. Now, she's off leash right now. There's nobody here that we can tell. We do have the leash to put her back on it if we need to. I don't know if you can see up there. I don't know if I'm zooming in or not. There's a little waterfall up there. Bluff Spring Waterfall. There's the little missus. Say hello.
Hello.
All right.
I already see trash.
So yeah, Carol's on a mission to pick up trash. And I support her 100%. I just let her do it. All right, there goes Ginger across the bridge. Got a little babbling brook in here. Now we parked up there. I don't know what kind of etiquette that is. That camp trailer took up that whole parking spot. Now there is a bigger parking spot down there. I think they should have got in. But you know what? Just because they like that spot, that doesn't mean I have to walk all the way up there. So yeah, I took the spot right beside them. We're not going to be here that long.
How come that's blocked off?
I don't know. So yeah, I don't know how this is going to turn out because I'm not used to using this GoPro. Huh? Yeah. So I'm not used to using this GoPro, and I can't really fully see what all I'm filming. I'll see later. But anyway, there goes Ginger. She's going down the illegal trail. Ginger, come. Man, she's done great up here. But that right there where she was going used to be open. You could walk right up to the falls.
Yeah. Are we going that way?
Well, we're going to go up there. We'll literally get our steps in. And I probably can't...
stay on trail, help officials, help protect our animals and plants.
Yeah, and these steps are not... They're not straight. They're all tilted. So we're going to try to get up here without breaking our neck.
Oh, there's somebody right there.
How'd she get over there? Oh, you can get it right here.
Are you?
So,
she's probably doing that training.
Probably. She's picking I don't know what these weeds are, but you can eat them.
Where?
Well, see, she's picking her a salad, poke salad or whatever.
Let's walk over there.
Okay.
Come on, Ginger.
Celery. That's a celery bush. That? Yeah. Woo! Oh my goodness. When I noticed, I just couldn't, I mean...
Sometimes, and also I see onions too. Yeah.
I found a bunch of dandelion leaves and I figured...
Oh yeah.
And what is this?
Celery. There's a purple...
See, look.
Where's the stalk?
Right here, look.
They don't look... The celery I'm used to eating looks like a little bamboo shoot. Hey, Ginger, get out of there. Come back here, girl. She don't need your salad.
We,
Wow.
wild celery versus the one we cultivated is so different because we cultivated it to have more water and to be less stringy and stuff.
Yeah. Wow.
Well, yeah, I saw you down there. I thought, well, you're getting some of that dandelion or poke salad stuff there. So
It's so cool. And I got in the waterfall too. It's freezing, but it's I mean, it's really nice.
Yeah.
yeah, this dog loves water. I'm waiting to see what happens when we get up there. So
Have fun, you guys.
have a good day. Man, you could eat forever up here if you can eat all that.
I know. That's cool. Oh, Ginger. You've never seen a waterfall.
So I don't know what that is.
Probably that celery.
I don't know if you can eat it or smoke it or what you do to it.
Oh, Ginger, look.
So you know that girl's going to get in it.
What did you say? What is that?
You have anything to say, Carol?
No.
You know, you're not a big talker on this thing.
No. Ginger, come here.
Yeah, that young lady back there, she knows, I guess she knows what you can eat and what you can't eat. She's picking her a pretty good supply or salad or something. Kind of odd how that much water comes off the falls, and here's the river it turns into, which is not very big.
This is so much fun.
Man, you take a shower, collect your food, everything here.
I've never done this in this part of the world before. Oh,
It looks mighty refreshing.
cold water. Woo! So cold,
Are you staying in that camper right there?
I'm driving it. I started in Florida and I'm going up through Montana and down California.
That's a heck of a trip.
Good
But
for you.
free food and showers.
Right?
Yeah.
And you found this place? Oh my word.
I get so I'm fortunate because God just, I don't know. I feel like the energy in the world, like I look at a map and I feel like I should go to that place. And that's what happened yesterday and I just drove here.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Good for you.
So great.
We're up in Tiburon. It's about 16 miles up there staying in a campground. But we watch all these YouTube girls camping by themselves.
Yeah.
And I think, yes.
And by the way, you're on YouTube right now if you didn't know, or you will be tonight. What's your name?
My name's Katie.
Katie. I'll tell you what, Katie knows what to eat and what not to eat and where to get a free shower.
Get in nature one day. I don't know, get your eyes on some plants and you'll start noticing what you can eat and what you can't eat. It just happens naturally.
Wow. How do you know the difference of what you can eat and what you can smoke? Yeah.
The next level.
Okay, the next level. Good talking to you.
Have fun, guys.
Feet dirty.
Now there's a little bit smaller. I mean, it's still water and it's still falling. I guess legally, it's a waterfall. Trickling right down the trail. You want to turn around and walk to the top?
Sure.
Okay, you got to keep going. Are you going to follow me or what?
I'm going to follow you.
You didn't want me to take a picture?
I don't want you to get a picture of my butt. Ginger, get on the trail.
Yeah, these steps, they're about 3 feet apart. They're kind of,
They hurt my knees.
they keep you pumping. Ginger don't care. Okay, let's see what's up here. I think we know.
just came up. Whew.
All right, so here we are. We're on top of the falls. Ginger, come on, back up here. She's not that far from the edge. And I ain't either. But I'm gonna mosey on down here a little bit. There's the parking lot. There's our truck right next to that trailer. Katie, that young lady, that's her trailer. She was traveling from Florida. I don't know, she's going around the United States. Oh yeah, right there's where she goes off. If I had a stick, you might could see as dry as we've seen everything. I'm surprised this thing is floating. All right, back on the trail.
Here comes the girl. You having fun, Ginger? Yeah, can you believe it? Right outside of Cloudcroft, between Cloudcroft and Tiburon. There's only like 3 cars out front, thank goodness. We've been up here where it was crowded, people, lots of children, music, just nice and peaceful.
She jumped over it.
Oh,
now she get her little drink.
she's washing her feet. I've taken some videos too.
You sure look good walking that dog.
Thanks.
You making that dog look good.
Thanks. Now, I do have little rags for her feet.
All right, we're gonna stop right here. Let's see. Oh dear, we've lost Carol. Well, we're gonna go on down. I may send Ginger back up for her later. I hope she's okay. Okay, here she comes. I guess she's still picking stuff up. Keep America beautiful. All right, that's going to do it for this video. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and click on that bell so you'll be notified of our next video. Thank you for watching.
Adios.